Welcome back. It is Flavour Friday and today I am going to show you how to make a Malaysian mashed banana fritter. Don't forget, if you like our videos, please hit that subscribe button and a bell for notifications every time we have a new video coming out. Malaysian mashed banana fritters. So there's lots of different varieties of this dish. This one is very, very simple. So we've got some bananas, some flour, plain flour, got a little bit of cornstarch just to give it that extra kind of crunchy bite, and a bit of sugar. I think maybe over the last 12 months, everyone has had their bananas lying around and like, I'm definitely gonna make some banana bread. That never gets made. But this is an alternative to that, so a nice little quick treat for you and the family. So we're gonna start by mashing our bananas. So it's best to use overripe bananas if you can. They will give you that extra sweetness as well and the kind of texture that we're looking for. Now, when we're mashing this, I personally don't like it to be a super smooth mix. So yes, you can use a blender or a food processor, but I like to have those little chunks of banana in there as well. So now that the mix, there's still a few, you know, little chunks of banana, but it's mostly a smooth mix. I'm going to add in my flour. So with this recipe, you can add egg as well. That can add kind of a nice texture to it as well. We're looking for a batter, basically. So you need to make sure that you've got your consistencies right. We'll add in about a tablespoon of cornstarch and about a tablespoon of caster sugar. We are going to dust these with some cinnamon sugar afterwards, so don't worry if it's not crazy sweet in that mix. And then give it a good mix. Because we're deep frying this dish, we do need to kind of have a thicker batter, so don't worry if it seems a little bit kind of thicker in consistency than normal. I have some clean oil on a medium-high heat. We don't want it too hot. Remember, you're trying to heat it all the way through and get a very nice crispy outside. Make sure that you're set up with a tray like this that will get rid of that excess oil when you take it out. And then I've got 2 spoons, very gently drape it off into the oil. I'll get a couple in there, try and get them similar size. Now, these are kind of gnarly looking fritters. They're not perfect in shape. Try not to overcrowd your pan, and then once you've got a couple in there, just make sure that they're not sticking to the bottom. You can continue to turn them over in the oil until they come out a nice, lovely golden brown. And then once they get to this beautiful golden brown, crispy on the outside, pop them onto your tray to cool a little bit and just get rid of any of that excess oil while you get the next batch on. So let's get some cinnamon sugar ready. Start with a teaspoon. I like it quite cinnamony personally, but you can make it as strong or not as you like. And then try and get them into your sugar while they're still warm out of the fryer, just so that it can really stick to that sugar. They smell beautiful, and funnily enough, they do really smell like banana bread, but we're not doing banana bread today, people. And there it is, my version of a mashed banana fritter. So soft, so simple, but tastes amazing. Definitely give this one a go. So tell me in our comments below, how many banana breads did you make during our pandemic lockdown? And please, if you like this video, then the recipe is just below. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.